What if your browser could do more than just open websites? What if it could write your emails, summarize your research, keep track of your tabs, and help you work faster? All with AI built directly into the address bar. Meet Dia, the new AI-first browser from the browser company. I've been testing it for a few weeks, and let me tell you, it doesn't just change how you browse. It changes what you expect from a browser entirely. In this video, I'm going to break down everything Dia can do, how it works, and what still needs work. And if this video hits 10,000 views, I'll do a deeper dive with workflows, real-world examples, and my setup. So hit like, comment, and subscribe, and let's jump in. Dia isn't just another browser with AI sprinkled on top. It's designed from the ground up with AI at the core. The magic starts in the URL bar. That's where your AI assistant lives. Unlike Chrome or Safari, the assistant isn't a side feature. It's built into every action. It learns how you write, what you're working on, and can carry context across tabs. This means when you're writing an email, summarizing an article, or doing research across 10 open tabs, Dia just gets it. One of the most unique features of Dia is what they call skills. Think of skills like mini-apps or automated workflows built directly into your browser. I've created a few that have changed how I work. A daily design trends digest that pulls top links from the sites I visit. A research assistant that auto-summarizes white papers or technical articles. A shopping comparison tool that compares specs and prices from multiple product tabs at once. It's like having a personal assistant in every new tab. This one blew my mind. Dia can analyze all your open tabs at once. Yes, it reads across them, understands the content, and then acts on it. Say I'm comparing 4 different laptops. I don't need to copy-paste specs. Dia can instantly summarize the differences, flag what's missing, and even recommend a best fit based on context. It's the kind of thing I didn't know I needed until I saw it in action. If you're a writer, researcher, student, or content creator, Dia really shines. It can summarize long blog posts and articles in seconds, extract key points from YouTube videos, generate outlines and first drafts for emails, proposals, or even scripts like this one, suggest tone edits and rewrite awkward phrasing based on how you usually write. It's like Notion AI, ChatGPT, and your Chrome tabs had a genius child who's obsessed with productivity. Now it's not perfect. Dia is still in beta, which means it's invite only, so not everyone can try it yet. It's Mac only, no Windows support at the moment. Customization is more limited than browsers like Arc, Firefox, or even Vivaldi. So if you rely heavily on extensions, advanced dev tools, or hardcore tab grouping, Dia might feel a little early. But here's the trade-off. What it lacks in browser bloat, it makes up for with simplicity, speed, and intelligence. It feels smooth, lightweight, and intentional. The bottom line? Dia isn't trying to be a better browser. It's trying to be a smarter assistant, one that lives in your browser and helps you think, write, and learn faster. If you've been waiting for a tool that actually feels built for AI, not just bolted on, Dia is it. And like I said earlier, if this video hits 10,000 views, I'll make a follow-up showing my favorite skills and how to build them. How I use Dia to write and research faster. Productivity hacks you didn't know you needed. So help me get there. Like this video. Comment what you'd want to see next. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tab.